All right, it's me again, your boy Mr. Lamb, trying to teach you some difference of two squares today. So a lot of my students have been complaining that whenever I do the videos, it's kind of long. So today I'm going to try to keep it under 5 minutes, and we're going to get started right away. So today we are going to learn something that you already kind of know, because all of you have done it. So I want you guys to look at this example to factor x squared minus 25. So probably from my class, I've taught the students, oh, if you want to factor x squared minus 25, you can actually just write it as x squared plus 0x minus 25. Because you don't see the middle term, the b term, you can just add the 0x, so that now it makes sense, because now you can make your magic x with the little multiplication sign and the plus sign. Okay, let me make the multiplication sign darker. Okay, so now you know you're going to have your c term, negative 25 on the top, and you can have the middle term, 0, the b term at the bottom. So what are two factors that multiply to negative 25 and at the same time add up to 0? And hopefully you guys know it will be plus 5 and negative 5. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25, and then 5 minus 5 will give you 0. So now you know the answer is going to be x plus 5 and x minus 5. So that's one way to doing it. But I know many of you like to do things another way, you like shortcut. So this is what you can do. So let's write this down. For difference of two squares, anytime when you have a squared minus b squared. So anytime you notice the first term here is in the form of a perfect squared, and also the second term is in the form of a perfect squared with the minus in the middle, there is a special shortcut. What you can do is to immediately factor it to two factors. The first one will be a plus b, and then the second one will be a minus b. Okay, so that's the shortcut for difference of two squares. So this word is difference. And I want to emphasize this word because I need you guys to remember difference means to subtract. To subtract. So only if you see a minus in the middle with two perfect squares for a and b, you can use this shortcut. So let me do this example again. We're going to write down x squared minus 25 again. Okay? And this time what I want you to do is you notice both x is in a perfect squared with the minus in the middle, and 25 is a perfect squared of 5. It's 5 squared. So now you have written it in the format of a squared minus b squared. A is x, b is 5, right? So now after you've done that, your answer automatically becomes x plus 5 and x minus 5. Because you have your a and your b. All right, so let's try another one. Let's have you try another one right now. What if you have y squared minus 49? What would be the shortcut? Why don't you guys pause the video now and try to figure this out on your own? Did you guys get this answer? Because you notice y over here, y squared is a perfect squared, and then 49 is also a perfect squared of 7. 7 times 7 is 49. As long as you have a minus in the middle, then you can factor it quickly, y plus 7 and y minus 7. Okay, we're going to do one more. Actually, let's do two more. Let's try. Let's give you 36 minus w squared on the left, and then we're going to do 4x squared minus 1. So let's try these two and see how you do. Is this what you have? Notice for this problem, 36 is first. So 36, it's a perfect squared, so you will write it as 6 times 6. So 6 will be A, and W will be B. Okay? So because this is A and this is B, that's why we have A plus B and then A minus B. So follow the order, whichever comes first. And then on this last one over here, notice how for 4x squared, what times itself will give you 4x squared? And you know it is 2x. 2x times 2x will give you 4x squared. So 2x will be A, and then 1 will be B. So that's why you have A plus B, 2x plus 1, and then A minus B, 2x minus 1. That's it for today, and I kept it under 5 minutes. I gotta go now. Bye.